using my favorite BYS All Day Wear. With my Revolution translucent loose setting powder. I'll be using my Jaclyn Hill palette and we'll use the maroon color here. I will be using the red shade here and blend it outside my first eyeshadow. Color, this one. Next step is to cut the crease. I will be using my Garnier Water in Oil Cleansing. Concealer to conceal. Putting a down pigment shimmer, so I need to use glitter glue. Next, gagamitin ko itong shimmer down pigment ng NYX 01. Then I'm going back to the shade, the dark shade here, and then next is eyeliner. I will be using my Hyper Gloss eyeliner of Maybelline. This mascara, I will be using my Paradise Ecstatic of L'Oreal. And then let's move to the face. I will be using my L'Oreal Base Magic. After that is foundation, I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible 304. I will be using my NYX Photogenic Concealer Corrector. This is my first time using this, so I don't know how it's... my AC Contour of Australis, and I will use this shade here. Ayan, same palette. I will be using this color here, and I will just apply it on my under eye. Using my Revolution Soft Shimmer Blush. Highlighter, I will be using my favorite Sleek highlighting palette. And the next lipstick, I will be using my Revlon and Matte Lip Pencil. Add some red lipstick. I will be using my Sleek Matte Me. For my bronzer, I will be using my BYS Raspberry and Chocolate. lastly, I will be putting my false lashes, and I will be back for my finished look. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!